Let me brutally honest. Starting a marketing agency in 2026 can make you rich, or it can make you stressed, broke, and completely lost. Because most people start an agency for the wrong reason. They think it's some easy online business. They think it will work 2 hours a day, travel, buy a nice car, post some motivation quotes, and money will magically hit their bank account. But in real life, starting an agency is one of the fastest ways to learn how hard the work is. And if you are not ready, it will destroy you. So in this video, I will answer one question. Is starting a marketing agency worth it in 2026? And I will tell you the honest truth. No BS, no follow your dream bullshit. And also I will tell you exactly who should start an agency, who should not start, what works in 2026, and how you can actually win even if you are starting from zero. Quick intro, my name is Jacob, I'm the CEO and founder of Lemon Agency. Right now we are doing around 100k per month in revenue. I'm saying this because I actually live inside this business every single day. I know the good parts, I know the bad parts, I know what works, and I know what beginners do that kills them fast. So if you want the truth from someone who's actually building a real agency, not just talking shit online, watch till the end. Let's start with the first truth. The agency space is saturated. Yes, it's full of people. There are 17 years old on TikTok selling social media marketing. There are thousands of agency gurus. There are guys making the same cold email template, using the same fake screenshots, promising the same results. So you might think, bro, it's too late, it's over. But listen, the market is not saturated with killers. It's saturated with average people. It's saturated with people who can't sell, can't keep clients, can't deliver results, disappear after 2 weeks, and then blame the market. And that's why agencies are still a huge opportunity in 2026. Because if you are actually good, you will stand out very fast. Now I want you to understand something very important. A marketing agency is not a marketing company. It's a sales company. If you can't sell, you won't survive. I don't care how good your ads are. I don't care how good your design are. And I don't care how smart you are. If you can't get clients, you have no business. Let me say it again. No sales, no agency. And the problem is, most people don't want to hear this. They want to hide behind strategy. They want to talk about brand positioning. They want to spend 12 hours making a logo and a website. But they don't want to send 100 messages, they don't want to call businesses, they don't want to get rejected, and that's why they lose. Because in 2026 the game is simple. If you can sell plus deliver, you print money. If you can't, you suffer. Here is another truth. Clients don't give a fuck about marketing. They don't wake up and think, I want Instagram content today. No. They wake up and think, how do I get more customers? How do I make more money? Or how do I stop my business from dying? They don't care about your creative ideas. They care about results. They want leads, booked appointments, more sales, more revenue. So if you want to win in 2026, you must stop selling marketing and start selling outcomes. For example, not I run Facebook ads, but I help solar companies get 30 leads per month. Not I do social media, but I help dentists get 20 new patients monthly. Not I create content, but I help real estate agents get more cars and meetings. The moment you speak like this, you become valuable. So is it worth starting a marketing agency in 2026? The real answer is yes, but only if you do it the right way. If you start an agency because you want freedom, then you need to understand this. Agency freedom is not free, it's earned. And you earn it by doing the hard shit first. So I'm going to give you 3 conditions. If you have these 3 things, then yes, it's worth it. If you don't, then don't even start because you will waste your time. Okay, condition number 1, you need a system to get clients. Not hope, not maybe someone will DM me, a system. I will tell you something crazy. In 2026, the easiest way to lose is to sit and wait. Because nobody gives a fuck about you in the beginning. Nobody knows you, nobody trusts you, nobody cares about your new agency. So if you want clients, you must go get them. That means cold email, cold calling, outbound DMs, partnerships, content plus outreach. So pick one and do it every day. Because consistency is what builds your pipeline. Even if you are not confident, even if your English is not perfect, even if your voice shakes, do it anyway. That's how you will win. Okay, condition number 2, you need an offer that makes sense. Not someone weak offer like, hey, I do marketing, it's 500. No, you need an offer where the client thinks, wait, this is a no-brainer. So your offer must be specific, clear, outcome focused, and easy to understand. Because in 2026, attention is low. Clients don't want to think, they want simple. So here is what beginners do. They sell random services. Facebook ads, Instagram, SEO, websites, everything. That's not an offer, that's confusion. You want an offer like, I help niche get result in time frame without pain. For example, I help solar companies get more booked cars in 30 days without wasting money on bad leads. So this is simple, clear and strong. Okay, condition number 3, keeping clients. Most beginners think the hardest part is getting clients. Wrong. The hardest part is keeping them, because churn kills agencies. You can sign 10 clients and lose 8 next month, and you are still broke. Retention is what builds real money. So you need clear communication, fast delivery, result tracking, reporting, follow-up, and system. So you need to make the clients feel like, damn, these guys are serious. Not like, where is my update, why nobody answering, or what the hell is happening. Okay, now let's get to the part that people won't tell you. Here is who should not start a marketing agency in 2026. If you are scared of rejection, don't start. If you get emotional when people say no, don't start. If you want comfort, don't start. If you want easy money, don't start. Because agency life is pressure. You will get ignored, you will get rejected, you will have clients who complain, you will have days where nothing works, and if that breaks you, business will destroy you. This is not motivation, this is reality. But if you can handle it, if you can stay calm, if you can keep moving, then you can win bigger than 99% of people. Okay, now let's talk about what actually works in 2026, because the agency model is not dead. The lazy agency model is dead, yeah. So if your plan is build a website, post reels, wait for clients and charge high prices with no proof, yeah, you are finished. But if you do it smart, you can make real money. Here are 5 agency models that works in 2026. First, lead generation agency. This is one of the best models. You help businesses get leads. Simple. No followers, not likes, leads. Because leads equals money. And if you can bring a business clients, they will pay you again and again. Okay, next one, appointment setting or booked calls. This model is powerful because it's even closer to revenue. Some clients don't care about leads, they want booked appointments, so you charge for booked calls. And the best part, you don't need to be a marketing genius, you need a system. So outreach, follow-ups, qualification and booking, and that's it. Okay, next one, retainer plus performance bonus. This is the safest model long term. For example, 1,500 monthly retainer plus bonus per lead, or per booked calls, or per sale. This way you have stability, but you still get rewarded for results, so both sides win. Okay, next one, niche agency, one industry only. Let me say this clearly. General agencies lose, specialists win. If you target everyone, you are nobody. But if you choose one niche, for example, solar, dental, real estate, construction, lawyers, fitness or e-commerce, and you master the program, you become dangerous. Clients trust specialists more, because when a client hears, I work with 10 businesses just like yours, they instantly think, okay, this guy gets it. Okay, next one, full funnel plus automatization. This is what bigger agencies do. Not only ads, but also landing pages, CRM setup, follow-up, emails, SMS automatization, pipeline tracking, reporting. So clients don't just get leads, they get a system, and systems are expensive. So that's how you charge more. Okay, now let me tell you the biggest mistake I see beginners make. They try to do everything. They offer websites, ads, SEO, TikTok, branding, logos, content, email marketing and strategic calls. Bro, that's not a business, that's panic. And here's the truth. If you do everything, you are irreplaceable. because you are not great at anything, you are average at everything. So instead, do this. Pick one niche, pick one service, pick one outcome and repeat. Not forever, but long enough to become good. Because once you get results in one niche, you can scale. But without focus, you will stay broke. Okay, now let's talk about money. How much can you actually make with an agency in 2026? So here is the real answer. In the beginning, you will probably make close to nothing. And nobody wants to say that. They want to sell you dreams, but I'm telling you reality. For most people, month 1 to month 3 struggle. Month 4 to 6 first real clients, month 6 to 12 stable income if you don't quit. So here are some rough numbers. Beginner level 0 to 10k per month. Intermediate 10k to 50k per month. Advanced 50k to 200k per month. And top level agencies plus 200k per month. But listen, the money is not the hard part. The hard part is becoming the type of person who can handle this level. Because more money, more problems. Team issues, client drama, stress, operation and pressure. So if you want the money, you need to build skills and mindset. Most people don't fail because they are stupid. They fail because they quit too fast. They send 20 cold emails, no reply, and they say agencies don't work. No bro, you don't work. They do 3 ads, get rejected, and they say clients are cheap. No, your offer is weak. They run ads for 7 days, no results, and they say Facebook ads are dead. No, you don't know what you are doing yet. The truth is, this business rewards consistency, not talent. So the question is not, is it worth it? But the real question is, are you built for it? Okay, if you are watching this and you are a beginner, here is a simple roadmap. So no complicated bullshit. Step 1, pick one niche, don't overthink, just pick. Next one, pick one service. Leads or booked calls is the easiest. Next one, build a simple offer. For example, I help X get Y result. Outreach every day, 50 to 100 messages daily, consistent. Next one, close your first client cheap. Not free, cheap. Because free clients don't respect you. Okay, next one, over deliver. Get results, collect proof. Next one, increase prices and repeat. That's it. No fancy shit, no perfect website, just execution. Is starting a marketing agency worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you are ready to stop being average. Only if you are ready to sell every day. Only if you are ready to take rejection like a man. And only if you are ready to build a real skill. Because if you want comfort, get a normal job. But if you want freedom, real freedom, you need to earn it. And agency is one of the best vehicles to do it. You don't lie to yourself. This game is not easy, but it's simple. Most people won't do the work, which means if you do the work, you win. Okay, if you want, I can make a full roadmap video where I show you exactly how to get your first clients. If you want, comment first clients and subscribe. See you in the next one.